Even though folding phones were made to make smartphones feel innovative again, it feels like they pretty quickly fall into the trap of quote unquote boring upgrades that normal smartphones fell into a long time ago. While Samsung's new folding phones, which will be coming out July 27th, won't exactly be game changers by any means, they'll at least be taking meaningful steps toward making folding phones more mainstream. For example, the Fold 5 has some good news along with some not so good news. Not so good news first, it looks basically the same as last year. Now, I'm not usually bothered when companies keep the same design for their tech, but considering that we've gone around 3 years with the exact same design for a phone that was meant to bring innovation back to the smartphone market, a refreshed look would have been welcoming, especially since most folding phones, like the Pixel Fold nowadays, are adopting wider cover screens that are easier to use compared to Samsung's thinner cover screen. On the plus side, this is when the good news comes in. It may finally end up getting another price drop. The last time we got a price drop for the Z Fold lineup was with the Z Fold 3, which went from $2,000 to $1,800. If Samsung focused more on a refresh model with a slightly more affordable price, then this could end up making up for the lack of exciting new features. I mean, hey, every little bit counts. Interestingly, though, it does look as if the Z Flip 5 could be the opposite story. Rather than focus on less innovation and more affordability, Z Flip 5 may keep the same $1,000 price tag while offering some new features. After the new Razer phones from Motorola came out with bigger cover screens, it looks as if Samsung wants to do the same thing with the Flip 5. Specifically, the Flip 5 looks set to come with a folder-shaped cover display that will cover the front of the phone and the side of the cameras. While there isn't a lot of information about what the bigger display will mean for users, there is some speculation that they could potentially allow for new ways of using the phone, such as using full apps when the phone is closed. If it does come to pass, I think this could be a very well-received feature when it comes out. So my question for you guys this week is, which phone do you think will be more appealing, the Fold 5 or the Flip 5? Leave me a comment, let me know your thoughts. Anyway, just wanted to share that with you guys. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you all around. Adios.